sleep with anything. I can't sleep with pants on. What? The comfort? I don't see it. I don't see it. I won't lie. Some ginger. Making my sauce. A little stir fry sauce. Looks very healthy. So anyways, sun up to sundown. What about sundown to sun up? No, I don't think I could do that either. Yeah, and now I'm like, whew, guys, it's been 3 hours. I'm fucking exhausted.
I remember being at your house in Vegas and marathoning streams with you.
Yeah.
And like bringing you food.
How long?
Like a 12-hour stream or something. And I'd be like, okay.
Yeah, I would do like 12-hour streams and make Sierra, who had never cooked anything in her entire life, heat up, what was it? I'd like have you heat up leftovers.
Yeah.
And she'd be like, I don't know how to do this. And I'd be like, you ever used a microwave before? And now I'm a tired girl. All right, listen. That would be a 6-hour stream. Perfect. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, I need some honey. Honey! Three tablespoons of honey. That's a lot of honey. What better way to celebrate the solstice? You know what would be a really good way to celebrate the solstice? If we went for a bike ride and threw wildflower seeds like confetti along the roads. Sunrise on June 21st is 5:22 a.m. and sunset is 9 p.m. Okay, but that actually would be a cool stream. The bike riding, throwing wildflower seeds, hell yeah. That'd be so dope. Now that is a stream I could get behind. All right? Yeah, they gotta be native flowers, exactly. Stream would be 15 hours, 41 minutes, and 11 seconds long. That would be the longest stream I've done in years. Because I've done 12-hour streams in the last couple of years. I haven't done a 12-hour stream since I moved here.